Hi guys, let us discuss about modal verbs today. Can. This modal verb is used to express the ability to do something or to ask for permission. Example. I can swim. Can I borrow your pen? Could. It can be used to express past ability, make polite requests, or indicate conditional statements. Example. I could swim when I was younger. Could you please pass the salt? If I had more time, I could finish the project. May. This modal verb is used to express permission or possibility. Example. You may leave the room. It may rain later. Might. Similar to may, it's used to indicate a possibility, often with a lower degree of certainty. Example, she might come to the party. Must. It expresses necessity or strong obligation. Example. You must finish your homework. Shall. It's mainly used in formal or old-fashioned English to indicate future action, often with the first person, I and we. Example. I shall call you tomorrow. Should. It suggests a recommendation, advice, or a strong likelihood. Example. You should eat your vegetables. Will. This modal verb is often used to express future actions. Example. I will meet you at the airport. Would. It's used to indicate a polite request, a hypothetical situation, or a past habit. Example. Would you please pass the butter? If I won the lottery, I would buy a new house. Ought to. It expresses moral obligation or advisability. Example. You ought to apologize for your behavior. Need to. While not always classified as a modal verb, need to is often used to express necessity or obligation. Example. I need to finish this report by tomorrow. Have to. Similar to need to, it expresses necessity or obligation. Example. I have to attend the meeting. See you in next session. Thank you.